what's up beautiful people? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Medha and today we're exploring Delhi की iconic गलियाँ. Let's go. I've gotten myself a refreshing strawberry cooler from Starbucks and I am ready to beat the heat. And we're here at Khan Market. Let's go exploring. Oh wow! Those sneakers look so cool. Should we go inside and ask how much they're for? Let's go, follow me. As you must have seen, there were vintage looking sneakers. I didn't know that could happen. That's crazy. They were so aesthetic and old money. I would love to have a few in my wardrobe. And they also had pure leather bags and pure leather formal shoes. What a classy store, honestly. Let's go. Khan Market is very famous. I mean, have you looked at every single storefront here? सबकी अपनी अलग-अलग vibe है, सब कुछ अपने aesthetic के हिसाब से है. Every brand speaks of a different story, and every step I take, I am in a new world. And look where I'm at now. I'm in front of the iconic Fakir Chand bookstore. चलते चलते we have reached Fat Lulu's and they have handcrafted artisanal pizzas which are amazing, breathtaking. I have come here once for pizza and I think that was my favorite pizza experience like ever. So note it down, you must come here. How pretty is that? Such pastel colors, sparkles. I got you girlies. This is heavenly. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna get one of these later sometime when I'm going to an event or a wedding. We're at Khan Chacha. Let's ask the customers what they ordered and what they like. Hello. आपका नाम क्या है?
विक्रम.
आपने क्या मंगाया है?
हमने मंगाया जी मटन सीख रोल.
एंड आपने टेस्ट किया कैसा है?
कभी नहीं करा पर पहले टेस्ट करा हुआ इनका अच्छा होता है. That's why we are here from Chandigarh.
You've come here from Chandigarh? Oh wow. So आपको पहले आप यहाँ पे हमेशा आते रहते हैं?
हम आते रहते हैं जी यहाँ पे.
क्या बात है.
बहुत बढ़िया है जी. यहाँ पे अच्छा बना हुआ है इनका. टेस्ट करेंगे.
अब मैं लेके चलती हूँ आपको creamery and let's ask people what they're eating and how they like it. Hello, आपका नाम क्या है? गुनेका. प्राचिता. What are you guys eating? Brownie super fudge. Wait. Brownie and fudge chocolate ice cream. Nice. Yeah. You see? How are you liking it? How is it? It's very nice. Have you come here before?
Yeah, it's like our go-to place. We love it.
Khan Market इतनी अच्छी market है. Like you must have seen just now. Even the people are so civilized, so nice, so polite. And सबसे interesting बात यहाँ पे ये है, यहाँ पे parking is only for 20 rupees. I mean that is crazy, right? Okay, wait, I see Frozen Fun. वहाँ चलते हैं. Hi, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Prusha.
Hi, I'm Mahima. So what are you guys doing today in Khan Market?
So I've come to Delhi after 4 months and all my friends are here to meet me. So we're just here for a lunch and a dessert.
Oh, nice. So where did you have lunch?
We had it at multiple places. So we went a cafe hopping.
So you're saying you can tell me the best places to eat in Khan Market? Awesome. Go ahead.
Big Chill is the favorite, obviously. Yum Yum Chow. Then I also really love Andrea's. I think all cuisines are amazing at Andrea's. And Fat Lulu's is very, very good again for Italian. Daisy Made, they recently had a menu upgrade and the new menu is very good. The Mexican is very good. You can have great drinks there. Clap is also one of our go-to.
Really good. Their sushi is amazing. If you didn't know, there's a very cute sports store in Khan Market as well. I mean, most people don't know about this, but it's pretty affordable and they have everything from all sorts of sport equipments to t-shirts, like you can see fan jerseys and everything. Very nice, very cute. This store had the fanciest sunglasses and I don't know, like everything is so beautiful. You can see from the exterior of the store. It's stunningly decorated, beautiful interiors, and wow, just look at the collection. Now we're entering Ensemble and they have such a rustic vibe. You can actually look at the door. They've given it a very raw finish. It's stunning. जहाँ इतने expensive brands हैं, वहाँ उसी market में you can find stores like this as well, which can prove to be quite pocket friendly. This entire wall has all the classic iconic books that can be put on your center table, and you know, like wow, look at that, that's Dior. Rolex, the watch book. So interesting. It's like walking inside of a museum. यहाँ पे इतनी प्यारी शॉप्स है, इतनी क्यूट चीज़ें हैं कि मेरा तो मन कर रहा है कि मैं सब कुछ ही ले लूँ. एंड यहाँ पे हर तरीके के रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, which I personally love all of them. So I also want to eat everything. But oh wait, there's picture also here. They have so much stuff. I really wish I could show you everything, but I can't. तो मैं आपके लिए कुछ छोड़ रही हूँ. आप आओ, आप खुद खान मार्केट को एक्सप्लोर करो, because it is totally worth it. And अब चलते हैं, because अब मुझे थोड़ी सी भूख लग रही है. अब चलते हैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ का स्ट्रीट फूड ट्राई करने. Let's first go to the picture. Picture always has the most scrumptious vibe and the most delicious food. I had the ravioli and 10 on 10, you must try it. Every nook and corner in Khan Market is perfectly Pinteresty and Instagrammable. आप कितनी भी pictures लो, इतने सारे stores के सामने, सारे stores अलग vibe और colors and vibrancy. Wow, what an aesthetic place this is. Now let me go and get some pictures. Wow, look at the art here. Wait, should we go to Lodi Art District? Yes, let's go. We are off to Lodi Art District और अभी हम लोग बस खान मार्केट से निकले हैं. क्या जगह थी, मज़ा आ गया. Honestly, it is a complete city on its own. Lodi Art District में इतने बड़े painting murals हैं on the walls in the entirety of Lodi Colony. This was started in 2015 as part of the Start India initiative, and the artists that have painted the entire Lodi Colony are from India and from abroad. As you can see, there's a very beautiful, vibrant, colorful painting behind me, and I really wonder what it initially depicted, what it still depicts. A little interesting fact about this initiative is that it was started by the Start India Foundation, wherein Start is spelled as ST plus art. अगर आपको मजा आया हमारे साथ दिल्ली की गलियां घूमने में, तो कमेंट करिए what is the next place you would want us to explore and make a video about. Press on like and share this video with your friends so that you can bring them to Lodi Art District and Khan Market.